Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to complete the square with a coefficient using the box method. If you do not know how to use the box method, check out my video on factoring using the box method, and I'll explain what it is. So we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 10. First thing we are going to do to get rid of this coefficient is we're going to take it out of the first two terms. The reason we don't want to take it out of this last term, this negative 10, is because we're going to have to distribute it back anyways, so might as well just not take it out. So now we have 2 times x squared plus 7 over 2, x minus 10. So we put this x squared now in the first box. And what do we do with this 7/2? So this b term here, this plus 7/2, whatever this fraction is, or if it's just a normal number, we take it and we go divide it by 2. So multiply it by 1/2 is what I'm going to do. That's 7/4. So now we're going to say plus 7/4 in both of these boxes. Plus 7/4 and add an x to it, just like we did in factoring. So now what's cool about this is that this 7/4 will just come straight up and across. So this b value divided by 2 will come straight out, right? We know that this 7/4 is positive. So we're going to say plus, plus. Now, we take out the greatest common factor of this x and this 7/4 x, this x and this 7/4 x, which is going to be x and x. So now we have x plus 7/4 times x plus 7/4, but we still have a box missing. What are we going to do? We're going to multiply 7/4 times 7/4. So 7/4 times 7/4, I'll just do this for you guys, equals 7 times 7 is 49, 4 times 4 is 16, so 49 over 16. So in this box, we're going to say plus 49 over 16. Do not add the x there. So now what? Now what? So we're going to say x plus 7, this is x squared plus 7/4 x, then there's a space here, minus r10 space. So, oh, there's the 2 here, our coefficient, sorry. So 2 times x squared plus 7/4. Oh, sorry, this is 7/2 again. I am sorry. So this is our original equation here. So 2 times x squared plus 7/2 x minus 10. But now we have these two blank spaces. So what are we going to add to this equation? Well, we added a 49 over 16 here. So we're going to add 49 over 16 to this 2 times x squared plus 7/2 x plus 49 over 16. So if we add 49 over 16, we also have to subtract 49 over 16 to make it look like we're adding 0, so the equation doesn't change at all. So we subtract 49 over 16. But you see there's a coefficient here. This coefficient is distributed to this 49 over 16, so it's a 49 over 8, technically. So this 49 over 16 we subtract here is multiplied by 2. Multiply it by that coefficient out front. So now we have 2 times x plus 7/4 squared. So x plus 7/4 times x plus 7/4. Now we have the square here, minus, let's do 80 over 8. Simplify these denominators because it'll be 49 over 8 here. So we got a common denominator. Now it's negative 80 over 8 is negative 10, because 80 divided by 8 is 10, and negative 49 over 8, because this 2 and this 16 canceled to make a 49 over 8, negative 49 over 8. And then, of course, this is the x plus 7/4 and x plus 7/4, and we already had this 2 out since the beginning. So if we do x plus 7/4 squared, x squared plus 7/4 plus 7/4 is plus 7/2. And then 7/4 times 7/4 is 49/16. So that is the same thing as this equation right here. So next step, we simplify everything. 2x plus 7/4 squared negative 80 minus 49 equals negative 129 over 8. So, thank you for watching my video. This is our final equation, completing the square. So, let's run through this. One more time, what did we do? So, we took the coefficient out. X squared plus 7/2 x. We did not take it out of this last term. So, this 7/2, or whatever this b value divided by 2 is, you have to, well, b value divided by the coefficient you took out. You're going to have to divide it by 2 or multiply by 1/2 is 7/4. You put the 7/4 in the top right box and the bottom left box. In the top left box, you are going to have an x squared. Then you are going to pull these top right and bottom left boxes out. So 7/4 and 7/4, and then take out your GCF, which is x in both. Multiply this 7/4 and this 7/4 to get 49/16. So now we have 2 times x squared plus 7/2 x, which is this equation, minus 10, plus what? We have this line here, plus 49/16. Duh. 7/4 times 7/4 is 49/16. So we're going to add 49/16 to complete the square to be able to make this perfect square. And then minus 10 minus 49/16 times 2. Multiply by this coefficient. So then we do 2 times x plus 7/4 squared minus 80/8 minus 49/8 is 2 times x plus 7/4 squared minus 129/8. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. Thank you for watching. This is a complex topic, so comment if you need any more help on it. Thank you for watching.